phonic communicators number 1 to 26. P. T. K. Ch. Ch. Wa. Ya, I, I. E, A, O. E, I. O, U. U, U. The phonic communicators number 27 to 56. E. This is a double E. A. This is a A. We don't use at the end of an English word because English word don't end with I. We use Y. A. This is a A. We do use at the end of an English word. Or. This is a O of for. This is a of her. This is a of first. This is a of urge. This is a of search. This is a of work. Oi. This is a oi. We don't use at the end of an English word because English word don't end with I. We use Y. Oi. This is a oi. We do use at the end of an English word. Ow, O, U, A. Ow, O. O. This is O. We do use at the end of it. We don't use at the end of an English word because English word don't end with we or you. O. This is O. We do use at the end of an English word. U, you. This is a U, you. We don't use at the end of an English word because English word don't end with I. We use Y. U, you. This is a U, you. We do use at the end of an English word. Netherlands. R. This is R of car. O. E, A. Two letter K. Adult. Wo. This is wo, which is most body to eat. O. This is O of boat. I. Three letter I. J. Three letter J. The phonic communicators number 57 to 75. This is the of this is two letter O. This is the O of toe. This is the used at the used at the beginning of a word. Two letter A. Four letter A. This is the G most commonly used. O, U, F, of, A. E, I, E. E, A, E. A, E, E. Two letters. This is the of rhyme. U. This is the U of Europe. This is the used at the beginning or at the end of an English word. G. This is the G of ghost. Two letters.